Let me start new program as well. So this is fourth one. How to handle multi-delimiters in Spark. Okay. So for this, first statement is we want to import the PySpark thing. PySpark.sql dot import split call. Multi-delimiter means, say example, sometimes file will be like id, comma, name, comma, age, comma, marks. Suppose, say example, this is the comma separated files will be there. The multi-delimiter, what I am saying, like 1 comma, a comma, age maybe 20 comma, marks. Maybe marks if you take 31 comma, 32 comma, 32. Oh, this is the delimiter is what we have two types of delimiters. One is a comma, one is a pipe symbol. We have two types of delimiters, right? We want to extract the two types of delimiters. Okay. You have two types of delimiters. So first of all, let me show you how to deal with the single delimiters. Then I will show you like multi-delimiter as well. So in this example, first of all, I will show you single delimiter. Maybe I can remove this marks column. Sample dot csv. This is the location I am having. Save. This is the file I saved. Now, when coming Databricks thing, just upload the file. Sample.csv. The file is available. This is the location. The file is uploaded. This is the location. This is the location uploaded the file. But this is a single delimiter. So in this example, I will show you like a single and multi-delimiter. Both things I will show you. So this is the location, right? So let me create a single delimiter. This is the location for single delimiter. Single delimiter, that is the only comma separated. So yeah, so that is now next statement. Data frame is equal to spark dot read dot option true CSV df dot show method. Let me see. There's the file, the single delimiter file. We can able to read or not. Let me check. But successfully read means I can show you on. We can perform on. Yeah, ID, name, age. What are the data which I provided in the CSV file? The same thing I am reading in the data frame format. After this, we can perform like a multiple operations. We can perform like a aggregations, group by columns. Like if whatever the uh, we can business logic want to perform in this file, we can perform. This is the way we can read the sample file, single delimiter file in CSV file format. We can read this. We can create a data frame. Okay. On top of that, we can perform this one. Now, my main intention of this program is I want to handle the multi-delimiter. Like in the single file, we have two types of delimiters. One is a comma, one is a pipe symbol. Now, how can I handle those things? Let me show you. Multi-delimiter. Multi-delimiter, how can I see? So let me create a file as well. One comma, comma, 22 comma, 31 pipe symbol, 32 pipe symbol. So the marks is the single column, but these are having the three values. The three values which are separated by the pipe symbol. So this is the multi-delimiter. Let me save multi-separated.csv. So the same function now I'm doing spark dot read dot option header through CSV. The path I'm using. So the file is not uploaded, right? Let me upload it now. This is the location. So this is the separated symbol, right? So the marks column showing a three values. One is, let me assume, first one is the physics, second one is the chemistry, third one is the maths. So I want to split this column, single column into the three columns. What I'm trying to explain, right? Marks column, I want to split it into physics is one column, maths one column, chemistry one column. Like this, I want to split this single column into the three columns. The three columns, first column will take first value, second column will take second value, third column will take third value. Like that, I want to split it. Let me write the code for this. df1 is equal to df dot, this is the data frame. This data frame dot is the column. First one I'm assuming like physics. Physics split of split function. df dot marks marks column. Data frame dot marks column. There, what is the separator I'm using? In single quotes, can give is the forward symbol. Then we can give what is the splitter is the pipe symbol. That's it. In this, we want to take first value. This we can take first value. So the split this is the marks column, df dot marks column. In this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2. What is the splitter between this data pipe symbol is a splitter. So that's what I'm. Again, second column, I'm assuming like chemistry maybe. Split of df dot marks of comma like this. So second column, first column I'm assuming like chemistry. Second column I'm assuming like max. Then df1 dot show method. Let me, this is not required to show. Let me stop this df1 dot show. After splitting, what is the thing we can see? ID, name, age, marks column, physics is 31, chemistry 32. Okay, third column is 45 max, 44, 43, 41. See, you can able to split the values, right? You can see 32, 56, 58, 65, 44, 78. You can split it, right? Sir, I want one more requirement. Sir, I don't want to show this marks column you're saying, showing here, but I don't want to show marks column. Just I want only physics and chemistry and maths. ID, name, age, these three columns, I don't want this one. At that time, what I have to do, right? We can say like df1 dot drop of df dot marks column. Drop means not required to show. Okay. Dot show method. ID, name, age, physics, chemistry, maths. Now I'm not showing the marks column visible to the data frame. So console. So I'm stopped this one using the drop function. Got it or not? Any doubts so far? Please ask me. Single delimiter, how can we read the file? Multi-delimiter, how can we read the file? You can split the single column into the multiple columns. If you want to drop a particular column also, I'm showing here. Any doubts so far? Please ask me.
No, sir.
Can I start next question?